Okay, here we go. This is the quick unboxing of the LG Gram 16-inch laptop. A box. The Gram. Put that over there. And this little card you can use to make like a little box like that. Put a calendar right in front of it. It's okay, kind of lame, but I mean, you know, somebody might find a use for it, and you can use it as like a pencil holder. But here is the laptop. In the box, owner's manual, charging brick, power cord, and a stylus. Okay, can't get that out. Want to show you. There we go. Nope. There we go. Stylus that comes with batteries. The other one I have doesn't need batteries, so we're gonna look at that a little bit. Put that back together. Move that out the way. There it is. The Gram. For 16-inch, and we're just going to power it on. And I did just also get the Samsung Galaxy Book, Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360. And I'm going to slide that over so you can see the difference in the size of these laptops. It makes this Gram look so big. I was looking for thin and light, so this is very light as well. So that's it. I'll share more with you later. I just wanted you all to see the Gram unboxing. Bye.